What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. I don't know if it's raining or if it's sleeting or if it's snowing or whatever, but I got some content for y'all. Today I'm gonna be dropping the fuel tank out of the Caddy, big boy 79 Fleetwood Cadillac. I'll be dropping the tank out of it. I'm gonna be looking into putting this fuel sending unit in. The sending unit is right here. The sending unit is FG156A. Put a fuel pump on here and we're gonna get it rocking, man. Before I do that, I gotta drop this fuel tank. I'm gonna be using my trans jack, but I don't know how much fuel is in here. I turned the car on and it said it was about a half tank. I tried to siphon out some fuel. I couldn't get any to come out. Put the straw all the way in there and it came out dry. So we'll see how it works out. That's what I'm gonna be working on today. Y'all stay tuned. I'll cut y'all back on in a minute.